Ciao ragazzi, and welcome again for the another F1 review in Formula 1 Italian Grand Prix. So medyo may mga problem ang channel and page ng BN Sports. Medyo late pala sila mag-upload nung FP2, FP3 and the qualifying, kaya medyo na late sila sa pag-upload sa Facebook at nauna pa ang YouTube na mag-upload. And then okay, bago muna yan at huwag na tayong paligoy-ligoy, so let's get started. Ito ang F1 race start. Ito, okay, bago muna ang race start, formation lap. Ang formation lap, and this is Yuki Tsunoda. Makikita natin in the formation lap ang kanyang AlphaTauri smoking. Makikita natin sa may suspension natin, sa suspension ng kanyang AlphaTauri. And then too bad for Yuki, got out early. And kailangan niyang umalis sa AlphaTauri car niya dahil it's too dangerous to stay, na mag-stay pa dyan dahil umuusok na ang suspension ng AlphaTauri ni Yuki. So better luck next time, Yuki, and I hope you will be okay in that. Okay, next, here's the race start. Actually, maganda na sana yung performance ng Ferrari, because of kaso kailangan mo na ulit mag-formation lap ulit dahil natanggal si Yuki. They need to formation na lap again. Ang nahirapan dito ang gulong din ng Ferrari na si Carlos Sainz, ang ating pole sitter, ang ating pole position ngayon. So ito na, lights out and away we go. Ang ginawa agad dito ni Carlos, blinak, kinover niya agad si Verstappen because alam ni Carlos na championship, isang kampiyon ang kanyang katabi sa grid. So kinover na kaagad ni Sainz si Verstappen. Then pag I think this is lap 15.
Uy!
Okay, by the lap 15, I guess, or 16. This is ito na si Carlos Sainz. So pag I think ito yung sa wait, may isa pa ata tayo. Ayan, yan. Wait. Adjust ko lang ito ng onte. So, So ito yung kapares pala nito. Dito na nag-overtake si Verstappen. Dahil alam ni Verstappen na nag-lock up itong si Carlos, ginawa ay nag-overtake na kaagad siya pagdating dito sa lap 15. Then pagdating ng mga 16, Checo Perez goes wide, and then dun niya na din na unahan sa Sainz. I think ito ata yun eh. Isa na yun. So just like this, si Russell pala. And of course, bago muna yan, ang isang ka-teammate ni Russell, si Lewis Hamilton, have got 5 seconds time penalty for causing a collision to Piastri. I think I have one of those. let me see if is there or not. Oh, you're right. Here's the 5 seconds time penalty in Lewis Hamilton. Kumbaga parang what you call this, si ano pala yon, si Hamilton, parang nagbump sila ni Piastri and then goes wide in the track and then rejoins naman kapag rejoins naman silang dalawa. So ito naman yung dalawang issues at the two Ferraris. Both Ferraris lock up. Si Leclerc lang pala ang nag-lock up dito. And then ito pa raw yung sabi, maraming daw hate kay Leclerc dahil kaya hindi pinaganto ganyan si Sainz. Hindi, si Sainz pala yon yung sabi nun nung sinabi ko. Pero okay naman sila yun. There's no problem. And then I think ito pagdating, ito ata yung di ko na kay banda dito. Banda rito, I think dito pa yung start pa to dito pa. Natawa ko kay Verstappen dito. He said this is naughty. Anong naughty doon? So dito pa na ang defend dito ni Sainz sa kanyang first position. Sa totoo lang talaga, maganda na yung ng Ferrari condition. Hindi lang talaga maiiwasan yung pagka out ng one of the drivers in the formation lap pa lang. So this is Charles Leclerc and Carlos Sainz. Okay, Leclerc Leclerc right goes into the runoff area and then this goes in a runoff area and then buti na lang luckily walang impeding na nangyari dito sa sa 2 Ferraris. Bravo to the 2 Ferraris and to the Tifosi Saragat. Max Verstappen sees a checker flag and he won the Italian Grand Prix. He broke the curse. Nasira niya rin yung sumpa doon sa Monza. And of course, 10 wins in a row. That's a new F1 history of and RB and the Red Bull. So this is the top 3 finish. Max Verstappen first, of course. Checo Perez second. Carlos Sainz third. There's top 10. Ayun ang bahala mag-check na tumingin ng drivers standings dahil iba na nag-iba ang driver standings na ngayon. Hindi pala driver standings. Tama, driver standings and team constructors team standings. So ito ang top 10 in Italian Grand Prix. First is Verstappen, second is Perez, third is Sainz, fourth is Leclerc, fifth is Russell, sixth is Hamilton, seventh is Albon, eighth is Norris, ninth is Alonso, and 10 is Valtteri Bottas. So, what a race in Monza. So, I guess see you na lang ulit sa September 15, 16, and then 17 for the Singapore Grand Prix in Marina Bay Street Circuit. See you again in Singapore. You guys, bye, ciao.